Sweet. I haven't been on here in a while, guys, so give me a little break. I haven't sang anything in a while, so here we go. Oh yeah, hope you all like the new Gears of War hat. Let's see here. Big Green Tractor, Jason Aldean. I'm gonna cover it. Had a shiny little Beamer with the rag top down, sitting in the dry, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "You all get in." She had on a new dress when she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. She said, "What you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We can go to the show or we can stay right here. And baby, I can take a ride on my big green tractor. Make it go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather, take you for a ride on my big green tractor. How does it sound in the background? Y'all can hear me. She was fired up and show you still on the hill, but watching the sun go down. Fireflies dancing and the moon comes out. We can turn the lights on and head back to the house, so we can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Make it go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods, we're out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Just let me dust off the sea. Put your pretty little arms around me. Hell yeah. Hey Android, what's up? Long time no see. You can climb up in my lap, drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Oh yeah. We can go to town, or we can go another round on my big green tractor. Thank you, that was Big Green Tractor, guys. I had to cover it, I'm sorry. Yeah, make sure you subscribe me and add me as a friend on YouTube, and I'll see you around.